Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox or unbag the SPIKA bag. Now what is the SPIKA bag? Well, specifically it's called the SPIKA Hunting Chest Pack Front Pouch Adjustable Vest Bag. That's a lot of words. All right, well this is what it is. Ta-da! Now, from my understanding, it is made in Australia. It has many little bags and zippers. Now, I'm going to tell you what it's designed for, and then I'm going to tell you what I'm actually going to use it for, which is something completely different. This is what it's designed for. This top pops out. Ooh. And you have a little absorbing thing. And there's your straps. I'll show you what those are for a little bit later. But this is actually designed for binoculars in it. Some small range binoculars. And then on the sides, you can put your range finder. And another range finder. Has a little pouch in the back. Has a little pouch in the front. Okay, so it's got all these neat little things, and on the back, watch this. It's got a little zipper. You zip open the zipper, and it has a little rain pouch. So, what am I going to use it for? Well, just watch. The back, of course, pops out. I can fit my extra lens in there. And yes, it does squish the lens hood a little bit, as you can see. See if we can get you to see it there. And then, of course, we do have my Osmo Action in there. We can close that up. On the side, we can fit the Osmo Pocket, which I use as a backup camera. On the other side, we can actually put the charger, little mini charger in there. In the front, I have all kinds of room. I can actually put all three of my wireless mics in there, my two transmitters and my receiver. Of course, I'm using them now to talk to you. And on top of that, I can put in my little lens cleaner, as well as a cloth. And then on the back, if I really want to put, something else in there, I could, like my larger battery. Okay, so I can actually go quite a ways and not have to worry about, am I going to have enough items? Am I going to have enough things with me on a shoot? At least on a small shoot. This is going to come in quite handy. And how's it going to look when it's all done? Well, first of all, let me show you how to put this back strap on and how comfortable it is. Now the SPIKA actually goes up on your back. So what you do, and by the way, you can adjust multiple things here, okay, to fit your, as I would say, my girth. So you clip that on there. Other side, clip on. Then you put this over your head, and then you stand up. And the straps on the back, you just clip on the side. And on the other side, same thing. I'm trying to stay down so you can see. And then, in addition to this, one more thing. It also could have the Peak Design clip-on adapter connected to here, so that I can secure the camera and not worry about anything. There we go. And I can lock that in. And on top of that yet, I can even take, they have these little straps that come with it that you can attach onto pretty much anything. I can even have that hold a tripod if need be. Now, does this look a little ridiculous? Maybe. Do I care? Absolutely not, because I have everything that I need right here, close at hand. I can take photos real quick. I can secure all my items. No big deal. If I need to get my tripod out for anything, I can just clip this right off and I'm ready to go. If I need to change lenses, flip this out. I can change my lenses. If I need my Osmo Action, I can take that out. Of course, I'm videotaping right now with it. And of course, if I need my Osmo Pocket as a backup camera, I can pull that out real quick. If I need the charger, I got that right at hand. And I can easily fit something else in there too, because that thing's so small. And if I come upon somebody that I want to interact with, that I want to interview, hey, no problem. I can pull out my extra mic. This is awesome. Of course, if I need to clean off my lens, or my little brush, there you go. So I am set. So what do you think? Is this a good modification, a good idea? Is this completely ridiculous? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, have a great day. Oh, and I'll put all this information in the links down below.